mystery dumpling squishies. And one of them is a rare gold glitter dumpling. Honestly, they're really fun to squish. We made blue ones, orange ones, pink ones, purple ones, and of course, the shiny golden dumpling.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
But wait, there's one more surprise. We also made a glitter pouch version. This honestly feels like opening rare treasure. If you want more mystery squishy crafts, kawaii DIYs, and tiny collectible creations, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and tell us in the comments, gold or pink. Bye bye.